Hello friends, on this video you can see here your screen is always on display. So how you can turn off this always on display on your on mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, if you want to off your always on display, just move on setting after that. From here, scroll on the down. Here you can see wallpaper. So friends, you have to tap on home screen on wallpaper, click on home screen on wallpaper. If you want to turn off, then here you can see always on display option. So just tap on always on display. Then from here you can see here is the always on display and its icon display informative such as date, time and alert for calls and messages even the screen is off. So if you want to turn off, then just click on this icon and your always on display will be turned off. Okay, and if you want to use, then again you just click on this icon, then it will be activated. And even you can change the wallpaper by just tapping on any of the wallpaper, and from here just click on apply. Then here always on display wallpaper will be changed into this page. Okay, I mean in this wallpaper in this screen. So this is how you can turn on and off your always on display on your on a mobile phone. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.